At the junction between esophagus and the stomach, there is a special ring of muscles called cardiac sphincter. When the sphincter muscles contract, the entrance of the stomach closes, thus prevents the contents of the stomach from moving back into the esophagus. It opens when a wave of peristalsis coming down the esophagus reaches it. The stomach is situated below the diaphragm on the left side of the abdominal cavity. It's an elastic muscular bag that stores food from meals for some time, making discontinuous feeding possible. It also partly digests the food. The stomach wall is composed of three principal layers: an outer layer of connective tissue, and inner layer mucosa of connective tissue with the many glands. The middle layer of muscles consists of outer longitudinal and inner circular muscles. These muscular layers help in churning and mixing the food with the stomach secretion. The mucosa of the stomach possesses numerous tubular gastric glands, which are composed of three kinds of cells: mucus cells that secrete mucus, parietal or oxyntic cells secrete hydrochloric acid, and zymogen cells which secrete pepsinogen. The secretion of all these cells is collectively called gastric juice. The secretion of gastric juice is regulated by smell, sight, and quality of food. If more protein is present in the food, it stimulates the production of gastrin hormone from the gastric endocrine lining, which is carried by blood to the gastric glands and stimulates them to produce more gastric juice. Thus, more protein, more gastrin, and more gastric juice for the digestion. Mucus is a thick secretion that covers the inside of stomach. It prevents the underlying walls from being digested. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in the concentrated form. It adjusts the pH of the stomach content ranging from 2 to 3 for the pepsin to act on the protein. It also softens the food and kills many microorganisms taken in along with the food. Pepsin is an enzyme secreted in inactive form called pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is activated to pepsin when exposed to acidic medium. Pepsin hydrolyzes proteins to yield peptones and polypeptides. The muscles of stomach wall thoroughly mix up the food with the gastric juice and eventually convert it into semi-solid mass called chyme. Gradually, the stomach empties into duodenum through the relaxed pyloric sphincter.